and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night, and in today's transformation, I'm getting to play with my favourite colour of all time, Chartreuse Green, to serve you this full-on Barbie girl transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what your favourite colour is, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should hopefully be at least one new video every single week on a Monday at 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Terrible tongue pop. So we're going to be starting off this Chartreuse Green Glamour transformation with my base, my boobs, and my brows already done. And then to start off the eye look, I started by taking Shivering White from MAC, which is basically a matte white face powder that I use as a white eyeshadow. And I just took this under my brow bone to help lift it as well as map out the shape. To start off my transition colour, I went in with this absolutely stunning like pastel but also neon chartreuse green from the Sugar Pill Level Up palette. And I just started by taking that through the crease of my eye and winging it back towards my temples in a slightly lifted and elongated kind of way. I always like to start off with a softer kind of transition colour to start with, just to kind of know where the eye look is going to be going and to help blend into. From here I took Arsenic, also from Sugar Pill, and just deepen the crease of my eye just to bring like the green a little bit more impactful through and to kind of give the eye look a little bit more definition than just a one-toned kind of eyeshadow look. This eye look is actually super simple, and from here I literally just carved out an exaggerated cut crease, of which then I set it down with that same Shivering White pressed powder that I used under my brow bone. I like to do this just so my eyes appear quite nice and large, and then I threw on some hefty winged liner just so I kind of knew a little bit more where the look was going to be going for. And then for my lower lash line, I smoked out those same initial transition colours. So I started with the Sugar Pill colour and then went in with the Arsenic colour, just kind of closest to my lash line to help deepen and intensify it. I did go back over my lid and brow bone with a white from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, just so it intensified it a little bit more and kind of helped minimise any creasing from the eyeliner. From here, I put a white cream paint in my waterline just to help brighten up the look and make it look very like youthful and doll-eyed and just kind of give that vibe. I then bronzed up my skin lightly using my Makeup Revolution highlight and contour kit, and then I went in and actually contoured using the deeper shade in the palette on the hollows of my cheeks as well as the perimeter of my face to help feminize it. For blush, I went in with a pink Makeup Geek blush and just heavily applied that to the backs of my cheeks, a little bit to the temples and a little bit to like my chin and nose area, just so the colour kind of looked cohesive and blended throughout my entire face. For highlight, I went in with a Flexitarian from Colourpop and just highlighted all the high points of my face as well as my body. And then for lips, I went in with Candy from OCC as well as this lip liner from LA Colors. And then I filled in with this absolutely stunning neon pink from NYX Cosmetics. And that is the finished transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.